Melting ice. Rising seas. A huge tsunami wave heads for the coast. These are not today's headlines. They are stories from our prehistoric past. In Stone Age times, Northern Europe was a wonderful place to live. Here, people pioneered a new, advanced culture. But these were also times of frantic climate change. The seas were rising, drowning the land. Once the idea of a lost world under the sea was the stuff of legend. But now, scientists are rediscovering this sunken land and piecing together the lives of the people who lived and died here in this Stone Age Atlantis.